If you're employing personnel in Australia that are working around confined spaces, you may well have come across the SafetyQuip Australia Confined Space Code of Practice. Now, there's lots of things that are covered in that Code of Practice. If you're trying to navigate through and understand the obligations there, one of the items is air monitoring of the confined space. Now, to make it easier to comply with those requirements, we've put together a confined space gas detection kit. Now, this kit contains the basic items that are needed to work safely around a confined space. So you see that there's a gas monitor and there's some other accessories. So if you have workers working around those confined spaces and you'd like information on air monitoring solutions, speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for assistance.